Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to sharpen an image in Photoshop. So, let's get started. First, duplicate your image layer to work non-destructively. Select the upper layer, then go to Filter, Other and High Pass. Set the radius value. I'm using 8 here, but it depends on the image quality and resolution. After applying the High Pass filter, change the blending mode of this layer to Hard Light. You can fine-tune the effect by adjusting the layer's opacity to your preference. Next, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E to merge the visible layers into a new one. With this new layer selected, go to Filter, Sharpen and select Smart Sharpen. Enable the Preview option to see the changes in real time. Now adjust the sharpening values based on your image's resolution. Increase the sharpening amount and ensure the Remove Gaussian Blur option is selected. You can also change the Reduce Noise option for more clear results. Finally, group the sharpened layers together to compare the before and after effects. And that's it. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.